make shimmer and shine cakes. As you can see, they're right down there. Let's go. Excuse me, go up. Instead of cupcakes, we're going to make a big cup. We're going to make a big one, but no, I was using butter.
No, why?
Because to make sure the cake goes down and won't stick. So we've got a cup, mixing powder, the cakes, and the tin for the cake,
Yeah.
a spoon, and the milk, and a careful egg.
Oh, good. Right, let's
And
crack.
that's for the icing's going.
Brilliant. Can you crack that egg open, please?
I love doing cracking eggs. Ah!
Brilliant. Put the shell in the yellow cup. Good girl. Excellent.
Ew. Now we put 2 tablespoons of milk in.
2 tablespoons. Wonderful. In with the egg.
Now we put the mix in. How much?
All of it.
It's fun, Mum. That looks like cake mix. I think it's nearly done. My mum took off the lid because it was shut, and now it's time to pour. I did my name with it.
Did you?
Yeah, I went. Yeah. It's 15 minutes.
Yeah! 15 minutes. And are you allowed to put the cake in the oven?
No.
Who's got to do that?
Mummy.
Okay, good.
While the cake bakes, we're gonna get this all ready.
What's that?
These are the items, and this is items. They're both icing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. When we added the water, it turned to pink.
Yeah, what is it?
1 minute.
1 minute left. What's the oven going to do? Beep, 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 beep. Let's check it.
The cake has baked.
We're going to put it on.
Tray.
No, cool down. This is Lily's cake. I see she's eating the shimmer and shine already. How does it taste?
No, they were both the person who had pink hair.
Oh, right. How's your cake, girls? Did you do good baking? Yeah? You don't want to talk with your mouth full.